Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Hydrogen and Fuel Cells Europe here at the Hannover Messe 2023. I invite you all to have a seat, have a drink. The lovely hostesses over there are here to give you anything from a coffee to a cola. We're here at the Technical Forum where we show you the latest developments in hydrogen technology. Up next, we'll be talking about how to reach the maximum performance with hydrogen, talking about engines and fuel cell solutions. We're here with Westport, the OEM Light Duty BD Manager, Mr. Stefano Chitò. Please come to the stage. Welcome, Stefano.
Thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Stefano Chitò, and thanks for the introduction. Business Development Manager in Westport Fuel Systems organization. I'm based in Brescia, in north of Italy, where one of the facilities of Westport is located, especially the one where the components of the high hydrogen product line are manufactured. So I would right now start with a video that will best show you what is our vision. So, as the video highlighted, we are Westport Fuel Systems and we drive cleaner performance. And this is what we do every day. So we design, we manufacture, and we provide to our customer best-in-class proprietary products that enable our customer reach the best of efficiency of their fuel systems. And this either for fuel cell systems or internal combustion engine hydrogen fuel systems. So we have more than 60 years of experience in innovation. We have multiple patents, more than 1,400 patents protecting our products, our technologies, and our systems. I would say that innovation is in our DNA, and especially in alternative fuels systems. We are a global company. We have our headquarters is in Vancouver, in Canada. We have manufacturing locations in multiple countries. We have a presence in North America, in South America, in Europe, in India, and in China as well. So we have a very wide range of products. And with this range of products, we can address the needs and the requirements of various segments of the market. So starting from the passenger cars, light-duty commercial vehicles, up to the medium and heavy-duty one, and passing through the industrial application as well. So we have a product offering covering different alternative fuels. As I said, we are specialized in alternative fuels, generally speaking, LPG, CNG, LNG, and hydrogen as well. And the last one is the reason we are here in this exhibition. So far, I've highlighted who we are. So now, this picture best shows where we come from. So, Westport grew over the times with the merging and acquisitions of multiple companies that nowadays are brands in our organization. And the point is that each of these brands nowadays is keeping their experience from the past in their specific fuel, in their specific field. And this is why and how we have now the know-how needed to reach and to address different markets, different segments of the market, with different fuels and with different technologies as well. So the most relevant of these brands is the GFI one, the second line. GFI is the brand that basically combines all the products that belong to the hydrogen fuel system components product line. GFI has a long history in demonstrated history in high pressure components. So quite an overall picture describing who we are, where we are now. So I will not go in details of this picture, but we have a very fully comprehensive product portfolio, embedding products for different fuels, as I said, LPG, CNG, LNG, and hydrogen, and achieving and addressing the requirements of different parts of the systems itself, from the storage to the high pressure, down to the low pressure part of the system through regulators and electronics as well. And this is what I wanted to highlight here, that we can and we do supply components for fuel, hydrogen fuel system, but also systems as well. And we have the capability to develop systems and to provide turnkey solutions as well. And now specifically to the hydrogen fuel, as that's the reason for which we are in this event, the GFI logo is the GFI brand is the one that is, as I said, embedding all our products belonging to the hydrogen components family. So we have a very wide range of products. All of them, let me highlight, that are able to address the needs of fuel systems, hydrogen fuel systems for both the fuel cell and the hydrogen internal combustion engines as well. Just mentioning the families of this product portfolio, we have tank valves, we have safety devices in the high pressure part of the system, we have high pressure regulators, we have in the low pressure, downstream in the low pressure part of the system, we have solenoid shut-off valves, we have electronic proportional control valves and electronically proportional control modules. So I would like now to launch a second quick video that will best describe how and what we can do in the future to address the needs of the hydrogen market. So quickly going through the product line as we are running out of time. So I will be quick for the next slide. So hydrogen tank valves, we have product in our product range, products at 350 bar that have been in production since years. So with a long history and the demonstrated capability, and 700 bar that is the next stage of our development. So we have integrated tank valve regulators, we have pressure safety devices, we have high pressure regulators, as I said, also in this case 350 bar, single stage diaphragm version, and 700 bar, dual piston or piston and diaphragm architecture. And these, so we have various different configurations in the 700 bar, and all of them are driven by the specific requirements from our customers. And down to the low pressure, we have, as I said, proportional control valve and proportional control module. Now, so far, I have described our capability, our know-how in terms of components, but as I stated, we also have the competence in systems. So here it's where and why I would like to introduce the hydrogen HPDI technology. That is a technology that is protected by multiple patents and has been developed through the years by Westport Fuel Systems. So HPDI stands for high pressure direct injection of gas into a combustion chamber. So we are talking about an internal combustion engine. This is done through an initial pilot injection of a small quantity of diesel fuel that will be ignited by the combustion. So by the compression. So we have a compression ignition engine. The same injector will be able also to inject a relevant quantity of gas fuel, gas that will be ignited by the pre-pilot injection of diesel as well. So most of the power is coming from the gas. And although this is a typical diesel cycle engine with the typical high efficiency of the combustion of the compression ignition engine. So this system is in production. We have been delivering more than 5,000 units to our customer and is currently using natural gas. But now the point, why am I talking about a natural gas product in this kind of hydrogen environment? As again, the evolution from the current product, the LNG HPDI, we can derive the hydrogen HPDI version. So basically using the similar technology with hydrogen as fuel, we can even get even higher than diesel efficiency with near zero CO2 emissions and with a very low cost, total cost of ownership. So in Westport, we believe in the hydrogen HPDI as a game changer, and it's a value proposition. So the hydrogen HPDI can give a second life to the internal combustion engine, with a near zero CO2 emission solution, with a cost-effective solution, and finally with a best-in-class efficiency that has been demonstrated so far with samples and demo engines and vehicles of this technology. So with this, that's all from me, and I thanks everybody for your time. Thank you. And by the way, we are invited at booth D44 to visit us.
Thank you very much, Stefano.
Thank you.
Are there any questions from the audience at the moment? No, then I maybe have one short question for you.
Yes.
So often I hear people say we shouldn't be looking at hydrogen combustion engines because they're too inefficient. We should only be focusing on fuel cells in mobility. What's your take on this?
That's one of the key point of our hydrogen HPDI. Yes, basically this is going to use a typically compression ignition engine with the typical high efficiency of this with hydrogen as a fuel. And especially when used with hydrogen, demonstrated even higher than diesel efficiency, with a total cost of ownership that is much lower than other technologies. So, and with a near zero CO2 emission level.
Very interesting.
That's the value added of our technology.
Thank you very much, Stefano.
Thank you. Bye.
So which stand was it again? The stand number was?
D44.
D44. So I invite you all to have a chat with Stefano at D44. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Thanks, everyone. Bye.